sash too. People's hearts aren't under their sashes. I don't care, mine is. Well, if you're going to talk like a poetry book, my heart's in my mouth.
My heart's in my boots, if it comes to that. I think we're idiots.
You won't be far wrong.
Morning, sir.
Morning, Pat.
Morning.
Hello. This is a very great pleasure.
It was good of you to get out.
May I extend a cordial invitation to the use of my room, sir?
Thank you.
Right away, sir. Right away, Mr. Mitchell.
Thank you, Mr.
If you
Perks.
care to follow me, sir. Mr. Long here.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Marshal. Right away, Mr. Mitchell.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Excellent hairstyle.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Jim's leg got better and he went home.
Right away, Mr. Mitchell.
Thank you, Mr. Perks.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. All right.
Lord, lummy, Pete. They'll have to marry now.
Hurry up, Fatty, for goodness sake! I can't, my bootlace is undone. When you marry, your laces will come undone going up the aisle, and the man that you marry will tumble over and smash his nose in. I'd rather marry a man with a smashed in nose than not marry at all.
Take our love to father.
Take our love to father.
Bye.